Okay, good day everyone. I am your mom Flancia, and for today, I'm going to discuss the week 6 topic of Mathematics 10 for quarter 1, which is division of polynomials using long method. So, just sit back and relax. Enjoy lang kayo mga anak ha. So, Huwag kayong mape-pressure sa kung ano man yung mga solutions na medyo mahahabang makikita nyo dito. Relax lang kayo. Enjoy it. And I hope that this video will help you a lot in understanding our today's or this week's topic. So to start with, I would like to give you the objectives for today's lesson. So number 1, solve for the quotient of a polynomial divided by another polynomial. Number 2, identify when a certain polynomial is divided by another polynomial. Number 3, use long division method in determining the quotient and remainder when a polynomial is divided by another polynomial. So tayo magko-concentrate ngayon sa unang method ng dividing polynomials, which is long method or what we call as the long division method. So to start with, review muna tayo. At ang pinaka-effective na i-review natin is in how to divide natural numbers. Let's say for example, when we have 365,742 divided by 33. So pakita natin yung step by step. Yan. So makikita nyo, ang ating division lang is dalawang process lamang. Pagpunta natin dito, so katulad niyan, when we have 274, yun, 274 divided by 33, that is equal to 8. Then pagpabalik naman, 8 times 33 is equal to 264. Then pagdating dito, subtract lang tayo. 274 minus 264 has a difference of 10. Then bring down the last digit, which is 2. So meron tayong 102 divided by 33 is equal to 3. 3 times 33 is equal to 99. Then subtract 102 by 99, the answer is 3. So since ang 3 is not divisible by 33 already, tigil na tayo doon. So ano nang tawag natin doon? Tinatawag na natin siya ngayong remainder. So to final it out, then the remainder, when the dividend 365,742 is divided by 33 is 11,083 remain. Let's have another review. So when we divide a polynomial by another polynomial, specifically when we divide a monomial by another monomial, like 4x divided by 4. So alam naman natin na dito, we are going just to cancel this 4 over 4 because that is already equal to 1. Therefore, our quotient is the variable x. For number 2, 20y raised to 4 divided by 4y squared. Also, 20 divided by 4 is as a quotient of 5. And when we divide y raised to 4 divided by y squared, we just copy the variable y and subtract the exponent according to the laws of exponent. That if we are dividing numbers with the same base, we just copy the base and we subtract the exponent. Therefore, the quotient is 5y raised to the second power. Next, number 3. Then we have 45m raised to the 8th power divided by 5m. 45 divided by 5 is 9. M raised to the 8th power divided by m is equal to 7, or m raised to the 7 because 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Therefore, its quotient is 9m raised to the 7th power. So, dalawa na ang na-review natin at yung dalawang topic na yun will be very much needed for our main lesson. Okay, let's take illustrative example number 1 from your module, which is 3x cubed plus 19x minus 10 plus 16x squared divided by x plus 3. So, syempre, identify muna natin ang dividend, which is 3x cubed plus 19x minus 10 plus 16x squared. And then our divisor, x plus 3. So how are we going to solve for the quotient of these polynomials? Ang unang step na pinakamahalaga sa lahat at kailangang magawa muna natin ng tama is this. Arrange the terms of the dividend and divisor in decreasing powers. If there are missing terms, write them with a coefficient of 0. So kung makikita ninyo mga bata dito sa ating given, hindi siya sunod-sunod na arrange in decreasing order from highest to lowest exponent of the variable. So kailangang i-arrange muna ito. Ano? Since 3x cubed ang may pinakamalaking exponent, siya ang magiging first term or leading term natin. Followed by 16x squared, followed by 19x, and last is the constant term, negative 10. So kung makikita ninyo, ang ating mga decreasing powers ay 3, 2, 1, and 0. Ito na ngayon yung ating dividend na nasa bagong form lamang. Ano? Divided by the divisor x plus 3. Ito ngayon yung solution na nakalagay dun sa inyong module. Ang gagawin ko is ipaliliwanag ko lang sa inyo kung saan siya nanggaling. Ano? So, naka-arrange siya ngayon. Kung mapapansin ninyo, inilagay siya sa format na katulad ng unang review natin on how to divide natural numbers. So, dito, ang una muna ninyong bibigyan ng concentration ay yung first term ng dividend. Divide 3x cubed by the first term of the divisor. Ito lang ang ipandi-divide ninyo. Then applying the laws of exponent, 3x cubed divided by x is 3x squared. Ayan. And then katulad doon sa division kanina, pagpabalik na, multiply na tayo. 3x squared times x is equal to 3x cubed. Then, saka pa lamang ngayon magkakaroon ng part C, second term ng ating divisor. 3x squared times 3 is equal to 9x squared. Then, makikita ninyo, magkatulad ang mga powers niyang magkatapat na yan. Ano? Bago kayo mag-subtract, kailangan munang gawin niyo yung kasunod na gawaing hindi pwedeng kalimutan. Change the sign of the subtrahend. So, kung ito'y positive, gagawin natin siyang negative. At ito ay positive, gagawin din uli nating negative. Since ito ay positive and negative, na pareho na lang sila, 0 na yan. Cancel na natin siya. Ito na lang ngayon na magkakaroon tayo ng solution. 16 minus 9, because it's negative, 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Then copy the common numerical coefficient. Next, bring down the next term. 19x. So, meron na tayo ngayong bagong dividend na 7x squared plus 19x. Ulit, dito ulit tayo. Yan. 7x squared divided by x is equal to 7. Then, pabalik, multiply tayo. 7x times x is equal to 7x squared. 7x times 3 is 21x. Okay. Then, next, change the sign of the subtrahend. Papalitan natin. Cancel na ito ngayon. Different sign na uli sila. So, subtract 19 minus 21 is negative 2. Ito'y negative kasi mas malaki yung negative numerical coefficient natin. Then, copy the common variable x. Then, bring down the last term which is negative 10. So, meron tayo ngayong negative 2x minus 10. Ito lang uli muna ang ipandi-divide natin. Negative 2x divided by x is equal to negative 2. Ayan. Then, negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Then, negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Okay. Then, change again the sign of the subtrahend. Magiging na itong positive. Magiging na rin itong positive. Negative 2x plus 2x is 0. Negative 10 plus 6 is equal to negative 4. Ngayon, kung nakita niyo na wala na siyang variable, ibig sabihin, less na ang kanyang powers dun sa ating divisor. At ito na ngayon ay tatawagin nating remainder. So, according to your module, if the remainder is 0 or its degree is less than that of the divisor, you will stop dividing. Since the difference is na 0, negative 4 is called the remainder. And after that, isusulat nyo lang yung inyong quotient sa ganitong form. Galing siya dito, 3x squared plus 7x minus 2, remainder, Yan, remainder, negative 4 over the divisor x plus 3. So, let's have another example. Yung illustrative example number 2. 3x to the fifth minus 3x plus 6 divided by x minus 6. So, kung mapapansin yung mga bata, ang ating exponent na kaagad, kasunod ng 5 ay 1. So, kailangan natin gumawa ngayon ng paraan para makompleto natin. And that is by inserting uh, terms with the needed exponent na ang numerical coefficient ay 0. Katulad nito. So, since wala ang to the fourth, wala ang to the third, wala ang to the second, kasi ang kasunod na kaagad ng 5 ay to the first power, nagsama tayo ng 0x to the fourth plus 0x cubed plus 0x squared. Saka pa lamang yung negative 3x plus 6 divided by the divisor x minus 6. So, katulad ng una kanina, first term lang. 3x to the fifth divided by x is equal to 3x to the fourth. Ayun. Then multiply 3x to the fourth times x is equal to 3x to the fifth. 3x to the fourth times negative 6 is negative 18x to the fourth. Then change the sign. Yan, change the sign of the subtrahend. Therefore, cancel na ito. 0x to the fourth plus 18x to the fourth is equal to 18x to the fourth. Then bring down 0x cubed. Then ito na kayo ng fun divide. 18x to the fourth divided by x is equal to 18x cubed. Balik uli, 18x cubed times, papunta na uli dito, times x is equal to 18x to the fourth. 18x cubed times negative 6 is equal to negative 108x cubed. Change the sign, positive will become negative, and negative will become positive. Then, do the operation. Cancel ito ngayon. Parehong positive, so add, that is 108x cubed. Bring down the next term, 0x cubed square. Then, ito na uli ngayon ang ating dividend. 108x cubed divided by x is 108x square. Then multiply 108x squared times x is 108x cubed. 108x squared times negative 6 is negative 648x squared. Change the sign. Then positive will become negative and negative will become positive. Then solve for the difference. 0x squared plus 648x squared is 648x squared. Then bring down negative 3x. Divide ito ngayon. The quotient will be 648x. Then multiply. Multiply ulit. Then change the sign. Change the sign. Okay. Then cancel uli ito. Solve for the difference. Since pareho magkaiba sila ngayon ng sign, magsusubtract tayo. Negative 3x plus 3,888x is equal to positive 3,885x. Then bring down the last term 6. O, last na to. Ito pa ngayon ang pan-divide by x is equal to 3,885. Then multiply 3,885 times x is 3,885x. 3,885 times negative 6 is equal to negative 23,310. Then, same process, change the sign of the subtrahend. Yan. Then, same sign, so add. Then, the sum is 23,316. Wala na ngayon siyang variable. That means stop na kayo. Ano? It's now your remainder. So, express your final answer. The quotient is 3x to the fourth plus 18x cubed plus 108x squared plus 648x plus 3,885. Remainder, 23,316 over x minus 6. So, ulit-ulitin nyo lang to kung medyo kayo ay nabilisan. Ano? Next is yung learning task na nandun sa inyong module. So, pwede nyo i-post itong video, tapos try kayo. Just complete the division process by finding the correct expression for each box in column B. So, post ninyo, sagutan ninyo, then try ninyo. Pagkatapos, i-play nyo na ulit. Okay? So, ito ngayon ang kanyang answer. For the first box, that is x squared. For the second box, that is 7x squared. For the third box, that is 21x. Yung kasunod is 24x. Next is -2. And the remainder is 70. So, ang kanyang final answer, the quotient is x squared plus 7x plus 24, remainder 70 over x minus 3. So, for your individual activity, all you have to do is to answer this division of polynomials using long method depending on how you understand the different process shown in the example na ibinigay ko kanina lang. Write this in your yellow pad paper. Picturean nyo lamang siya ng malinaw and then send it to me personally dun sa aking messenger account. Okay? So I will wait for your output until this afternoon or until Wednesday afternoon. So anyone who can submit on time, his or her output doesn't need to submit the answer sheet from the module for your week 6. So that's all, class. I hope na naintindihan ninyo itong lesson through this video. Thank you and God bless you all.